So what did we learn from this simulation of capital budgeting exercise? Well, we really found out what is the range of possible values and somehow distribution of those values, right? So we know we can have as much as 61,000 euro loss or as much as 121,000 euro of profit. We learn the mean, we learn the median or the percentiles, right? So we know something about the risk, but it's still up to the decision maker to make the decision, right? And it all depends on the context. If this is a kind of decision that, let's say, this company keeps investing in many different production lines or equipments, and this is just one out of many decisions. So it is, in other words, a repeated problem. Perhaps looking at the mean is the right objective because, on average, this company would gain from this kind of decisions 26,794 euros. So this, right, this would be like a repeated game exercise, and then the looking at the mean at the confidence interval for the mean is the indicator that should decide. If it's positive, it's a winning game. If it's negative, it's a losing game. However, if this is a one-time investment, if this is actually a significant investment for this company, and they cannot easily cope if the losses are actually the case, if they have low demand and right this negative NPV is actually realized, then maybe this is too risky for the company to invest, and the decision could be no, don't invest in this. It's too risky. We might have a big loss, and we cannot afford this loss, right? So, in other words, the decision is not straightforward, and all that this simulation is helping us is it is helping us understand the risk through different measures.